I removed the other side already for the driver's side, and I feel like I want to show some people how to do this. And you see on the Ford Expedition, Explorer, they pretty much the same on the doors. You cannot just pry this out like somebody try to figure it out, or something try to check it out, or try to think you can change the speaker like this. You can't. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove this. Thing you need to do to have is a flathead, little flathead, a door trim remover if you need it. Flathead will work. You need a Phillips, and you also need a 8mm. So basically, we're gonna pry this out a little bit first. All of this are gonna be pried out, all of these right there. And then there's one screw right here. You got to get this out, and then you just lift it up. So I'm gonna show you right here. Like that. You just remove like that, that'd be fine. You don't have to take all the way out. And then now right here, just go easy right there. I'm using a left hand. Right hand I can't do it. I'm holding the camera. I might. So we got this like out like this. So once you get that out, I'm not going to do it by one hand. You're going to push this out, and then you wiggle it left and right, and the same thing as this one. Push it in and then wiggle it and pull it out. So I got that out. Now I'm going to pry it right here. And then you want to lift it so you can see the way the screw is at. Once you get that out, you see that screw right there? That's an 8mm screw right there. Remove that out. Once you remove it, everything will come out like that. And keep this on one side. Now there's one more screw right there that holding everything. Oh. Like that. And then now you want to come down here using the flathead that I mentioned to you. It's a little bit tricky right here. You push it right there and pick it up. Right? Yow. You basically like this. See? Be careful. And then there's a screw right there. So let's take that out. Sorry about that noise behind there. It was my fan, and then they're working on the street. So now, since you got everything out already. Oh, I forgot there's another screw right there. Basically, you don't pry it out this way. You pry it upward, okay? Up. Now remove this screw. Whoop. And make sure everything out here so I don't lose any tools. So now you want to do, since you got all the screw up, you just hold this right here and lift it up, straight up like this. There you go, see? Just gotta lift it up. You pull it, you're gonna break, and then you got another light right there. Just twist it. See that? Twist it and pull it out. Twist and pull. Back door is different. Everything's the same, except it's not much different, except the screw is not in here. The screw is down here. There's two of them. Once you take the two, you can lift it. So I'm at the right rear. So you're gonna need like a 1/4 inch right here to remove this. And I was looking for color. I couldn't figure it out. I'm gonna show you how to figure out what color is for positive and which one is for negative. So let's take this out. It's 1/4 inch magnets, and we're gonna need this, or you need a 9 volt. But actually, you don't have to, because I'm gonna show you what color it is linked below. All right, now I'm gonna take a blade and strip this out, the black tape, and stretch it out a little bit because I don't need it that long. Matter of fact, I could just cut it right now. The power is not live, so I could just strip it, cut it, and I'll show you how to test them. And then you can tell later on, once you know which one's positive, let's say if this is positive right here, it's gonna be on this side on all of them, okay? So you don't have to like, oh shoot, I had to test all of them. No, you just test one of them. And I'm gonna cut it. All right, let me show you right here. I'm gonna write it down here so you guys can know which one is positive and negative. So let me think. I'm gonna guess this is positive, right? I'm gonna put the red one over here. If you're using a 9 volt, there's a positive sign and negative sign. You just tap to it. If this thing moving upward, that means you got it right. If it downward, just, you know, you got it wrong. I mean, you just have to flip it. So I got this. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna push it. Well, if I push it and moving upward like this, that's right. See? You see how it go up? If I flip it over, it go up. So I got it right. This side, this is positive. So what's that? A tan green. So tan green is positive, and then brown pink is negative. And so you do all of them to all of them, but you don't have to do it since I'm doing it for you. I'll link it below. Just click on under the video. I will explain to you all the positive and negative. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate it. This is for the right front. So the positive is white and light green, and then the negative is green and orange. So your wire like this, the bigger one is positive, the smaller one is negative. So the solid color like gray is positive, so positive will go to the white green, and then the other one will go to the green orange. Yes, put the 1/4 inch and put all 4 of them, and just ready to put it all back.